Hi everybody, welcome to day 46 of the lockdown. Not very much on the way of pottery today. I've just done the turning of the birdhouses, so there's a video of that, the two different birdhouses. That's this morning. The rest of the day I've spent making a bird table for someone, so a bit of a break from pottery today, and so it's just a short video, but it's what I did today. So there you go. I'm just turning the base of this it's on a pot inside. I've just got to turn the outside. There's a curve. See, it's on a tub. Just fit. So there's the bird feeder finished with a curved back. It doesn't need a base on it. So that's the top. It'll have a hole put in the top of here. Just see. Okay, that's it finished now. It'll have a hole in the top, and then what I shall do is put a piece of bamboo in here for them to land on. So I need to cut a hole in there. Okay, I'll use my teapot spout hole cutter, cut it at an angle. If I put it right through to the inside, it'll make it stable. And then that goes in. And there we have it. It'll hang like that. So it'll need a hole in the top, or two holes in the top, I should say. So I can loop a cord through it. And that's it finished. Bird feeder, very easy to do. Now I'm just trimming the roof of this bird feeder. I suppose you could use it as a birdhouse. I don't know how many birds would use a pottery house. I know robins have got a thing about nesting in teapots. People have hung up an old teapot before now and robins have nested in it, but not sure. Not my sphere of expertise. That bit done. Right, that's that bit done. Try and get it in the sun for you. What I'm going to do now is just mark on it where I need to cut the hole out. It's just an old T-roll, which is the right size. And just going to simply cut it with a knife. Can you hear the air pop out of it there? smooth that off. Make 2 holes in the top. So let me hang it up, and then there will be a hole for the rest. And that's it. Bird feeder. Hold on. So that's it. Day 46 almost over and done with. It's 4 o'clock. Time for a break, and I'll catch you all tomorrow.